Hey, car audio enthusiasts, how are you? Tonino here in the Stetsom studio, bringing the release in the Bravo line of amplifiers. That's it. This is the Bravo Attack, a 3,000 watt amplifier available in 1, 2, and 4 ohm versions. Bravo Attack, the best cost benefit of the Stetsom amplifier line, and I will detail the features for you. Come along, Figueirinha. On this side here then, we have all the controls of our Bravo Attack. Here we have the RCAs. You will input the LR signal and it will do an internal mono mix because the Bravo Attack 3000 is a mono amplifier. In the sequence we have the level, where it is possible to make the adjustment, avoiding distortions in the amplifier input. In the sequence, the crossover, which is divided into low pass and high pass filters. The high pass goes from 10 Hz to 700 Hz and the low pass from 90 Hz to 20 kHz. In the sequence, we have the bus boost, where we can give a gain from 0 up to 12 dB and still choose the operating range, which varies from 30 Hz to 60 Hz. Then we have the mid bass, which ranges from 0 to 12 decibels or more. And then the mid high, also ranging from 0 to 12 dB. And finally, but not least, the flat key, which when activated, eliminates all previous settings, allowing you to have an amplifier free of any adjustments and thus make use of our STX2448, STX2848, or even STX2436 Bluetooth processor. Now let's take a look from the opposite perspective. Why? In order to obtain the 3000 watts RMS from our Bravo Attack, it is necessary to have a reliable power source. So take a look at these power connectors, robust connectors, so that you can properly power the product and extract the maximum power and sound fidelity from the Bravo Attack 3000. Is it accurate? Here below we have the output from the speaker, where you can securely connect the cables through this professional connector here that Stetsom provides at Bravo Attack. And I never tire of repeating, Bravo Attack, the best cost benefit in the market in the range of 3000 watts RMS. It's Stetsom, and you know, if it's Stetsom, it's unlimited power. Thanks, guys.